and I am here with a bonus layout for you guys for Kit Conspiracy. And so I'm going to quickly span over all of the product that I have left over. So I have created my 3 guaranteed layouts so that I'll have 3 layouts a year, a week. And so this one here is just some leftovers of what I've already created. So it's going to seem like, oh, she's already cut up the papers and whatnot. That's because I did my assignments first, and now I've got more creativity to flow. I don't know how to say it. So I'm skimming over what I've already cut up and what I will be able to use. So I'm not really sure if I'm going to be using some tickets or tags. I usually don't do selfies of me. I definitely don't record them. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I don't know. But this was perfect because it's a nice plain Jane photo. It's absolutely perfect for, a dark collection, a light collection, a bright collection, a jewel tone collection. It is absolutely perfect because it is one of those photos that really doesn't have any color to it. I'm wearing a navy shirt and the background behind me is cream. So it's absolutely perfect. And I just really wanted to use this collection. Like, my goal is to use it all up. So I'm super stoked to see if that's going to happen. All right, so I'm not sure what papers I'm going to pick yet. Like I said, I'm just showing you guys what all is left over from the 3 layouts that I have already done. So if some of the papers look a little short, a little shy, then I will, it's because I've already done my 3 layouts. Now, I did pick out a white background, and then I have a scrap from something probably photo mats. And then I really want to do a black background, but I'm not sure if white would work because white definitely brightens up my photo. So I went ahead and I matted my photo on black, on white cardstock, and I'm going to use the black as my base. I also fussy cut out all of those flowers from one of the papers that is in the collection. I fussy cut them all out so I had them to play with for the remainder of all these layouts. I'm also going to put a haze around where I think my embellishments are going to go. I do make it a little bit too big. I definitely did not plan this out rather well, but I think it worked. I think it looks okay. So I've pulled out Distress Oxide and Dusty Concord as well as Tumbled Glass because I thought that I was going to be able to layer and mesh them together. So I'm going to do Dusty Concord all the way around because I know I want that to be seen throughout because it's the purple that drew me to this collection in the first place. But then I go in and I try to put in some Tumbled Glass and I was like, oh, I think I'm just getting my brush dirty. Oh, I don't like that. Yeah, I still don't like that, but let's keep trying. And finally, I don't like it at all. So I'm not going to do that. You can't even tell. I can't tell. I can in the camera, but I couldn't sitting where I was sitting. So I'm going to bring my photo back. I don't know if I glued it down or not. I think I did. And I'm going to layer up all of these gorgeous flowers. And like I said, all of these flowers look purple to me. And so I just want all the purple flowers. I try to stay away from any of the flowers that have the cool or the warm colors in them and stuff, but it's all of the purple flowers I definitely wanted to show off. So anyways, gonna go ahead and now that I have all of my flowers where I want them, I'm going to pick out the rest of the embellishments, the layering bits and stuff, because even though this is like the best and I could leave it just the way it is, I want to add a little bit. Now look at that camera. Isn't that camera dark compared to the rest of the papers? Like I said, I feel like, or you guys probably haven't heard me say this yet, but in one of my other videos, I do comment about how this paper looks like it has a dark side to it. And I'm not really sure exactly how that works. Or anything, but it's weird to me. It's very awkward to see the light and the dark of the embellishments. It just really is. So anyways, I'm still going to use the camera because that's the one that fits beautifully in that spot. And now I'm just, like I said, picking out the other things. I'm going to go through all of my little cups. I've got all of my goodies sorted in large, medium, small, mini, and then the extra large ones are on a tray laying down. So I've got all of those goodies, and I'm just sorting through, seeing what all works, picking out some purple butterflies, mostly all the purple things because I love this. And my title says Life is Beautiful. That's all it was. I thought it was perfect because it goes from corner to corner on my photo. It just worked really well. And then I did like the fact that the butterflies could fly up. And oh my gosh, I purposely picked a pink butterfly. Yes, I did. You will be surprised at how much pink I actually use on these layouts, to be honest. So once I figured out all of the really goodies, I really didn't pick a whole lot of stuff, you guys. The flowers didn't need me to. I am going to bring my layout up just a hair, or my photo, sorry, not my whole layout, but my photo. I do need to bring the layout up because it's down at the very bottom again. It's that shifting camera. I'm going to blame it on the camera. That's what I'm going to do. And I'm just going to layer everything up, go ahead and glue everything down. This is a selfie that I took to say good morning to my husband. I was at a retreat in California. And usually when he wakes up in the morning and sends me a, good morning, I'm awake type of deal, depending on what I do, sometimes I will go in another room and call him, and sometimes I will just send him a selfie to let him know that I am thinking about him, but I'm also in the groove. Like I'm sometimes at a retreat, I'm in the groove and I will create a ton of layouts. The last retreat, not this particular one, but the last one that I was at this location, I did 21 layouts. I only packed 19, and luckily someone was kind enough to print some photos off for me, and I was able to do 2 more. So I was super, super excited about that. And that's the most I've ever done at a retreat from start to finish. I don't mean I built page kits or anything like that. From start to finish, 21 layouts, and some of them were doubles as well. But yeah, nowhere. All right, to finish off this layout, I went ahead and splattered some white, oh my gosh, I want to say Dina Wakley white acrylic spray. I just splattered it all over. I should have done that at the bottom, where it was the behind instead of on the top, but I'm okay with that. It still looks amazing. I really do like how this turned out and how it looks. And yeah, that is my layout for today, bonus layout for today. Woohoo! And I have one for every single day this week, you guys. I had so much fun creating with this layout. I really did. So don't forget to go and check out Janet Fritz, who is Galaxy Girl Creations, here on YouTube. And if you're interested in any more Kit Conspiracy layouts, here are 2 more videos for you guys to go check out. All right. Thank you so much, and I will check y'all later. Bye.